So I have discussed. Okay, so now we come to the macroscopic and microscopic structure. And first of all, just leave the structure. In a broad sense, we have the microscopic and microscopic terms. Throughout, engineering, we come to these particular terms, micro and macro. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have written here mistakenly. Both are same head. Oh, mistake. Sorry, sorry. This is not a macro. This one is E. Okay. So microscopic and micro. So could anybody define what is micro and macro? So micro, when we talk about the macro and micro means, I mean, with I, okay, and macro means A, okay. Here this is MACRO, micro. Sorry, macro, and MI micro. Okay. So when we talk about the MA and the macro means I mean, the material that can be deal with, naked eye. Okay. I mean, whatever the things that we are looking around us, and we are, applying the engineering science, okay, and the things get molded according to our requirements, that all are known as a microscope. Okay, macroscopic level. Level means, I mean, what are the things that we can do, okay, to make our requirement, okay, to change their properties or their, shape and size, whatever the things to make, to fulfill the requirement, is known as microscopic. But is micro, and we need to go to the atomic level, okay, which we can definitely we cannot see, right? Because we are not able to see the molecules or materials basic structure, which is known as atom. Okay, how they are, how they, the nucleus and the electrons are present there, and how they are behaving with naked eye. Though we can see with the microscope, okay, we have the machines that we can see how they are behaving at their atomic level, okay. So that is the different things. But with the naked eye, we cannot, see, and we cannot do the, the changes very easily, because at the, bulk level means the macroscopic, macro. Okay. So when we talk about the bulk level things, this is macro level. And if we talk about the atomic level, okay, and whatever the changes that we required at atomic level, we cannot do easily, right? Because we must need to go to the atomic level first, okay. Then where we can do changes, okay, which is not easy part of our, engineering, okay. So that we are not going in detail right now, okay. So just we need to know what is the difference between these two terms, okay. Similarly, if we talk about the structure or whatever the things that we come to the, these two terms, okay, micro and macro, then you can understand and you can have the clear idea about what these two terms basically relate with, okay. So if we talk about the structures, so similarly, if structures are concerned at the bulk level, then it is known as the macroscopic structure. And if they are concerned at the, atomic level, then it is known as a microscopic structures. Okay.